Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel, sharing with you another short yoga practice to start your day with and wake you up. Especially good for days when you're short on time and you want to start your day with yoga. So let's start. We're going to start this practice in standing. So stand tall, ground your feet, arms by the side of your body, and just take a moment to just close your eyes for a few seconds. Let your shoulders relax, neck relax. Let your whole body relax. So just take a moment to connect with yourself and disconnecting with everything else. Let your thoughts settle in. So acknowledging the presence of your thoughts and just focusing on your breath. Gently put one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Breathe in through your nose, expand your belly. Breathe out through your nose, take your belly in. Breathe in through your nose, expand your belly. Breathe out through your nose, take your belly in. One more of this. Breathe in through your nose, expand your belly. Breathe out through your nose, take your belly in. And then you gently take your abdomen to neutral position. Release your hands, taking your arms by the side of your body. Gently open your eyes and let's continue with our practice. So, open your legs slightly wider and just get into this movement, moving on the ball of your feet. So, getting in some mobility for your spine, for your legs, for your hips. Yeah, so just going from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the center and take your arms forward. So just opening up your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take your arms back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, taking your right hand down, left arm over your ears, opening your side body, breathe. And then come on the left side. Left arm down, right arm over your ears, right palm facing down, breathe. Slowly taking your right arm back by the side of your body. Lift your right leg up, hug your right knee. So, releasing your hip flexors. Find your balance. If you can add a little movement here for your ankle, you can do that. So just look at one point that you can focus on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release and change it to the other leg. Lift your left leg up, hug your left knee in, breathe. Look at one point that you can focus on. If you feel stable, you can add this movement to release your ankles, relax your foot. So start with any direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Open your legs wide, resting your hands on your waist, taking your hips back. Get your chest parallel to the mat. Getting into wide leg forward fold. Soften your knees, taking your head towards the mat. Release your hands, resting your hands on the mat. Bend your elbows a bit. Your hands in line with the arches of your feet. Breathe. Now resting your left palm down, open your body to the right, take your right arm up. Draw your right shoulder back. Keep pressing your left foot back on the mat. Keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right hand down, gently resting your right palm down, open your body to the left, take your left arm up, draw your left shoulder back. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand down, bend your legs, rest your hands on your knees. Toes out, heels in, sumo squat. Take your arms up, straighten your legs. Breathe in. Breathe out, bend your legs. Breathe in up. Join your palms together. Breathe out, getting your arms down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. One more. Breathe in up. And breathe out, down. Hold it here. Use the strength of your hips to get your knees on top of your ankles. Breathe. If you feel like moving side to side, do that. Or just hold it. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, press your right palm against your right knee. Drop your right shoulder down. Look over your left shoulder. Breathe. Come back to the center. Press into your left palm. Drop your left shoulder down. Look over your right shoulder. Breathe. And then you come back to the center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lift yourself up. Come to the front of your mat. We are going to do 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. Great for your full body. Joining your palms together. Ground your feet. Take your arms up and back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Fold forward. Soften your knees. Feel free to bend your legs, resting your palms down. Breathe in. Right leg back. Then your left leg back. Plank. Knees, chest, chin down. Breathe out. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, step your right leg forward. Breathe out, left leg forward. Join your hands up and back. Breathe in. Breathe out, hands at the heart center. Let's complete the first round. Arms up and back. Breathe in. Breathe out, fold forward. Soften your knees. Breathe in, left leg back. Then your right leg back. Plank, knees, chest, chin down. Breathe out. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, step your left leg forward. Breathe out, right leg forward. Join your hands. Go up and back. Breathe in. Breathe out, hands at the heart center. One more. Arms up and back. Breathe in. Breathe out, fold forward. Breathe in, right leg back. Then your left leg back. Knees, chest, chin down. Breathe out. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, step your right leg forward. Breathe out, left leg forward. Join your hands, go up and back. Breathe in. Breathe out, hands at the heart center. One more, arms up and back. Breathe in. Breathe out, fold forward, soften your knees. Breathe in, left leg back. Then your right leg back. Knees, chest, chin down. Breathe out. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, step your left leg forward. Breathe out, right leg forward. Join your hands, go up and back. Breathe in. Breathe out, hands at the heart center. Release your hands and let's sit down. We are going to end this practice with one pranama practice. So let's practice Brahmari today. So you're going to put your thumb on your ears like this. Close your eyes with your fingers. And you can gently rest your pinky finger underneath your nostrils. And then breathe in through your nose. Breathe out with a hum sound. Gently pressing your ears, breathe in. Breathe in. One more, breathe in. Release, resting your hands back on your knees. Sit straight. Just observe how you feel now. Focusing on your breath. Reflecting back on your practice today. Absorbing everything positive you experienced today. Before you end your practice, if you want to tell yourself anything positive, if you want to have one focus for your day ahead, go ahead and do it. And if you're ready to end the practice today, gently rub your palms. Feel the warmth of your palms on your forehead, on your eyes, on your face, on your arms, on your stomach, on your legs. Gently taking your hands back at the heart center. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Slowly open your eyes. We are done with our practice for today. I hope you enjoyed this short, quick yoga sequence to boost your energy levels and start your day with. I have tons of these videos on my yoga channel. Subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and get updates on all my new videos. Thank you so much. Namaste. Hi there, thank you for participating in the 7-day beginner yoga challenge. I'm so glad to see you. If you would like to do more today, you can do guided meditation practice or you can do some breathing exercises. And don't forget to click on the button below to subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on my new videos. Thank you and see you soon. Namaste.